Hello guys! Ako pala si Sir Jun at welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot na rin ang bell button para ma-notify kayo kapag nag-upload ako ng bagong video. Ang lesson natin sa video nito ay factoring sum and difference of two cubes. Paano nga ba mag-factor ng sum and difference of two cubes? Pero bago natin pag-usapan kung paano mag-factor ng sum and difference of two cubes, kailangan muna natin pag-usapan ang background nito. The other two special factoring formulas you need to memorize are very similar to one another. They are the formulas for factoring the sums and the difference of two cubes. Ito yung dalawang formula. Meron tayong factoring a sum of cubes. Para ito sa may plus. So, meron tayong formula or pattern na a cube plus b cube at ang kanyang factored form ay a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, sa sum of cubes na a cube plus b cube, ito yung kanyang factors. Para naman sa factoring of difference of cubes, meron tayong a cube minus b cube at ito ang kanyang factors. A minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So, sabi niya, ito yung formulas or patterns na ginagamit sa factoring sum and difference of two cubes. Kagaya ng mga nauna nating mga videos ng factoring, kagaya ng common monomial factor, meron din tayong difference of two squares, paano mag-factor ng perfect square trinomial, at saka meron din tayong factoring general trinomial. Meron silang iba't ibang mga pattern o formula na ginagamit para ito ay makuha ang kanilang mga factors. Kagaya rin nito sa sum and difference of two cubes. Magpatuloy tayo. To help with the memorization, first, notice that the terms in each of the two factorization formulas or patterns are exactly the same. Then notice that each formula has only one minus sign. The distinction between the two formulas or patterns is in the location of that one minus sign. Halimbawa sa factoring a sum of cubes. Yung formula natin na a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, pag sum siya, ito yung kanyang plus sign at meron lang siyang isang minus sign between a squared and ab. Para naman sa factoring a difference of cubes, so para sa a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So, pag mapapansin nyo guys, itong dalawang formula na ito ay halos magkapareho o magkapareho ang kanilang pattern. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung minus sign dito sa sum of cubes ay nandito. So, halata guys pag plus ito siya is plus din. Then, minus dito. Sa difference of cubes, pag minus ito, minus din ito, then plus na lahat. For the difference of cubes, the minus sign goes in the linear factor a minus b, di ba? Ito yung difference of cubes na minus, so nandito yung minus sign. For the sum of cubes, the minus sign goes in the quadratic factor a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, ito siya guys. When you're given a pair of cubes to factor, carefully apply the appropriate rule. By carefully, I mean using parentheses to keep track of everything, especially the negative sign. So, pag plus, ito yung gamit. Pag minus, ito naman yung gamit. So, para mas lalo nyong maintindihan ang mga sinasabi ko dito, magbibigay ako ng halimbawa. Para sa una nating halimbawa, meron tayong factor x cubed minus 8. So, para sa ating solution, dahil minus siya, so factoring a difference of cubes at ito ang kanyang formula. So, meron tayong a cubed minus b cubed. Ito siya guys. Equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So, tandaan nyo guys, itong a cubed minus b cubed, ito ang kanyang itsura. Tapos, ito naman is the factors. So, kukunin natin ito guys in the form of x cubed minus 8. So, therefore, a cubed minus b cubed, ito siya guys. Then, equals x cubed minus 8. Ito siya guys. So, gagamitin na natin ang ating formula. But before magamit natin itong formula, kailangan natin mahanap yung value ng a at saka b para makuha natin ang kanyang factors. So, ano nga ba yung value ng a at saka b at paano natin ito makukuha? So, from this example, x cubed minus 8. So, ika-convert natin yung x cubed as an a cubed at saka yung 8 as a b cubed. So, paano natin gagawin? So, yung x cubed ay gagawin natin x to the 3 or x cubed pa rin. Tapos, yung 8, para ma-convert natin into a b cubed, so, ano nga ba yung cube root ng 8? So, ang cube root ng 8 is 2. So, magiging 2 to the 3 or 2 cube, di ba? Tatlong bis natin i-multiply yung 2, di ba? 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then, 4 times 2 is equals to 8. So, therefore, or then, our value of a is equals to, ito yan siya guys. So, equals to x. Then, yung value ng b is equals to, ito siya guys, is equals to 2. Then, since meron na tayong value ng a at saka b, pwede na nating i-substitute dito sa ating formula. Thus, factored form of x cubed minus 8 by substituting the value of a and b to the formula. So, this is our formula na a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So, yung a natin is x, yung b natin is 2, so x minus 2 times the value of a, so x squared plus value of a is x times 2 is the value of b plus the value of b is 2 squared. Then, simplify, we have x minus 2. So, we have x squared plus 2x. Diba? Then, 2 squared is equals to 4. Therefore, the factors of x cubed minus 8 is x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4. Para naman sa ating pangalawang halimbawa, meron tayong factor m cube n to the 6 minus 64 para sa ating solution. So, dahil minus yan, so ang gagamitin natin na formula is factoring a difference of cubes. So, meron tayong a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So ito yung kanyang factor pag nakuha na natin yung value ng a at saka b. So, a cube minus b cube, ito yan siya guys. Then, ita-translate natin as ito. M cube n to the 6 minus 64 ay magiging, so gawin natin ganito guys ha. Makukuha natin yung value ng a. So, ito siya. M to the 3 is tapos n to the 6. So, mn squared close and open parenthesis, meron tayong to the cube or to the 3 is ganito. So, tignan nyo guys ha. If we do reverse multiplication, so m cube is m cube, then n squared to the cube is n to the 6. So, i-multiply mo lang ito siya guys. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then, paano naman yung 64? Paano natin ma-convert as b cube? So, kung kukunin natin yung cube root ng 64 equals to 4. So, magiging 4 cube. So, tingnan nyo guys 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Then, 16 times 4 is 64. Then, meron na tayong value ng a. Ito siya guys. Equals to mn squared. Tapos, yung b naman natin, ito siya guys. So, b is equals to 4. So, by substituting the value of a and b to the formula, thus, factored form of m cube n to the 6 minus 64. So, yung value ng a at saka b, meron tayong mn squared minus 4. Tapos, yung value ng a na mn squared to the squared plus mn squared times 4 plus 4 squared. Then, simplify. So, copy mn squared minus 4 times, ito guys is magiging mn squared n to the 4. Kasi nga, di ba, may 1 dito. So, 1 times 2 is 2. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. Plus, mn squared times 4 is equals to 4mn squared plus 4 squared is 16. So, therefore, the factored form of m to the 3 n to the 6 minus 64 is mn squared minus 4 times mn squared n to the 4 plus 4 mn squared plus 16. Para naman sa ating pangatlong halimbawa, meron tayong factor 27y cubed plus 1 para sa ating solution. Dahil plus yan siya guys, ito ay factoring a sum of cubes. So, ito ang ating formula. A cubed plus b cubed equals to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, ito siya guys, ay ito. So, ito naman siya ay ang kanyang factors. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung value ng a at saka b. So, ganito natin kukunin. So, a cube plus b cube. Tapos, i-convert natin as a 27y cube plus 1. So, magiging equals to 27y cubed plus 1. Then, gagawin natin, ito siya guys, gagawin natin as a cube. So, ano ba yung cube root ng 27? Diba 3? At ito namang y cube, ang cube root niya is y. So, therefore, meron tayong 3y cube. Diba guys? So, 3 cube is tatlong beses natin i-multiply. So, 3 times 3 equals to 9. Then, 9 times 3 is equals to 27. So, tama. Paano naman yung 1? Yung 1 guys, madali lang yan. Dahil 1 yan siya. So, magiging 1 to the 3 or 1 cube. Di ba nga? 1 times 1 equals to 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Again. So, tama. Then, after nyan, so obviously, nakuha na natin yung value ng A at saka B dahil sa pag-convert natin sa pattern na ito. Then, A is equals to 3y. Ito siya guys. Then B is equals to 1. Ito siya guys. Then, nakuha na natin yung value ng A and B. So, pwede natin substitute dito sa pattern na ito para makuha ang kanyang factors. Thus, factored form of 27y cubed plus 1 by substituting the value of A and B to this formula. So, meron tayong yung A is 3y, yung B is 1. Tapos, yung A squared is 3y squared. Tapos, minus, yung AB naman is 3y times 1. Tapos, yung B squared naman is 1 squared. So, simplify further. Copy 3y plus 1. Tapos, ito siya guys is 3 squared. So, magiging 9 squared. Tapos, itong y is y squared. So, magiging 9y squared. Tapos, 3y times 1 is equals to minus 3y. Then, 1 squared is equals to 1. So, plus 1. Therefore, 3y plus 1 times 9 squared minus 3y plus 1 is the factored form of 27y cubed plus 1. Para naman sa ating pang-apat at panghuling halimbawa, meron tayong factor 8q cubed plus 27. So, para sa ating solution, same as usual, since plus sign or plus ito or sum, so therefore the formula na gagamitin is factoring a sum of cubes. Ito yun ang formula guys. The same as example number 3. So, yung a cube plus b cube, ito siya guys. Then, ito naman is the factors. So, kailangan lang natin makuha yung value ng a at saka b. Then, pag sinubstitute natin sa formula ito, then makukuha na natin ang kanyang factors. So, paano natin kukunin yung value ng a at saka b? Sa pamamagitan ng a cube plus b cube. So, a cube plus b cube, by representing, ito siya guys, dito. So, meron tayong 8q cube plus 27. So, i-convert natin itong 8q cube as a cube. So, paano natin gagawin? So, kukunin natin yung cube root ng 8 saka cube root ng q cube. So, ano ba yung cube root ng 8? Diba? 2. At saka yung cube root ng q cube is q. So, tignan nyo guys by using reverse multiplication, tignan nyo. So, ito magiging 2 cube. So, multiply natin 3 times yung 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 2 is 8. So, tama. Paano naman yung 27? So, kukunin natin yung cube root ng 27. Ano nga ba yung cube root ng 27? Diba 3? So, 3 cube. So, 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is equals to 27. So, tama yung 3. Then guys, nakuha na natin yung value ng A na 2Q at saka yung value ng B na 3. So, sinasabi ko guys, yung value ng A is 2Q. Ito siya. Then yung value ng B is 3. Tapos, substitute na natin yung value ng A at saka B dito sa ating formula para makuha natin ang factors ng 8Q cubed plus 27. Thus, factored form of 8Q cubed plus 27. So, by substituting to the formula, meron tayong yung A plus B ay magiging 2Q plus 3. So, yung A is 2Q, yung B is 3. Tapos, para naman sa A squared, meron tayong 2Q squared minus, tapos yung EB is 2Q times 3. Tapos, plus, tapos yung B squared natin is plus 3 squared. So, simplify further. Copy 2Q plus 3. Then, ito siya is magiging 2 squared tapos Q squared. So, ano yung 2 squared? 2 squared is 4. So, magiging 4Q squared. Tapos, 2Q times 3 is 6Q plus yung 3 squared natin is equals to 9. Therefore, the factors of 8Q cubed plus 27 is 2Q plus 3 times 4Q cubed 4Q squared minus 6Q plus 9.